Dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about exercise 2.3 on triangles. This is 8th main question, okay? On triangles. Here we have question. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, here they will not give figure, we have to draw. Okay, draw ABCD is a parallelogram. Draw ABCD is a parallelogram. Here you see E is a point on the side AD. I will write here A, B, C, D. Side AD producer of a parallelogram ABCD. E is a point. See, AD produced to E. AD produced to E. AD produced to E. BE intersect CD at F. BD, where is there? BE, BE, okay, I will write here, this is E. BE intersect, I will join BE. I will join BE, okay. See here, BE intersect CD at F. At F. Show that ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, let us see proof. In triangle ABE, solution or proof. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In triangle CFB. See here, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. See here, angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Correct? Angle AEB is equal to angle CFB. Sorry, CBF. See here, AEB, CBF, alternate angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles as AE is parallel to BC. AE is parallel to BC. Correct? Therefore, ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence proved. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now let us discuss about the ninth main. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles. ABC and AMP are two right triangle. Okay, right angled at B and M respectively. Okay, prove that first one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second one, we have to prove CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. Okay, figure they have given. Okay, see here in figure. Okay, solution or proof. Okay, in triangle ABC and AMP, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Okay, see here, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. Each angle measured 90 degree, correct? Angle B is equal to angle AM. Okay, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to angle AMP. In bracket, each 90 degree. Okay, see, ABC and AMP for both triangles having the same angle, that is, which is a common angle? Angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is common angle, you write. Okay, therefore, first one, what is that? Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Proved. Okay, proved. Okay, see, now second one, look at here, those figures. I will draw ABC. Okay, I will draw ABC. Two triangles I will draw, A, B, C. Another triangle, which one? That is AMP. I will draw AMP. Okay, see, now let us see corresponding ratios. That is second one we need to prove now. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Okay, let us see. This implies CA divided by PA, correct? CA divided by PA. This is second one we need to prove. Okay, this is first one we need to prove. CA by PA is equal to another one, BC by MP. See here, BC by MP. See, this one we can mention it corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportion. Okay, I will write here. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportion. Corresponding sides are proportion. Proved. Okay, this is. See here, I have done here ABC similar to triangle AMP. Now this one you can write in bracket by angle similarity criteria. By angle similarity criteria, AASC. Okay, now let us discuss about 10th main on exercise 2.3. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AD and FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third one, and DCA is similar. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay, figure they are not give, so we have to draw. Okay. Look at here. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, correct? The triangle ABC and triangle FEG. ABC, ABC triangle. Another one FEG, FEG triangle. Okay. Now let us see. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF, angle EGF. D and H lies on sides AD and FE. D is on AD. D is on AD. AD not, that is AB, no? On sides AB. Question I will see once again. AB and FE. Sorry. This is AB. This is AB. Okay. D on AB. D on AB. D on AB. And H on FE. H on FE. Correct? Okay. Now join CD. CD. This is H. H. Okay. ABC, FEG. D is on AB, H is on FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by, that is FG. Okay. Let us see. First one. We need to prove these three. It is given that solution or proof. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, given here. Okay. Triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. Similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle G. So this one how it can be right? That is angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. FGE. Okay. FGE. And angle, therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. FGH. See, those are the corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles are same. This is, I will write in bracket, angle bisector. Is it right? ACD. ACD is angle bisector. FGH is also angle bisector. DCB is angle bisector. HG is angle bisector. Okay. Angle bisector, because angle bisector. Okay. And angle DCB is equal to angle angle HGE. HGE, angle bisector. Angle bisector. Next. Now, in triangle ACD and FGH, in triangle ACD and FGH, See here, angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. Proved here above. Is it? Proved. Proved. Okay. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. That is also proved. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. FGH. This is also proved. Is it? This is also proved. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. This is by angle similarity criteria. By angle similarity criteria, AASC. Okay. Angle similarity criteria. This implies AC. So we need to prove first one is it CD by GH. See CD by GH in triangle ACD and FGH. Okay, CD by GH corresponding ratios. CD by GH is equal to remaining AC by FG. AC by FG corresponding ratio. AC by FG. Okay, this one proved. Okay. Now, second one you need to prove, that is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. DCB, HGE. We have to take this triangle now. This is first one we done. Now second one we need to prove, that is in triangle DCB, in triangle DCB and in triangle HGE. HGE. See, this one also we proved above here. What we proved here? Angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Proved above, is it? Proved this one. Proved above here. See here, DCB, HGE. We proved above here. Okay. See, therefore angle B is equal to angle A. This also proved. Angle B is equal to angle E. This is also proved. Okay, this is also proved. Next, therefore triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Okay, dear students, here we prove triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE by angle similarity criteria. Now we need to prove, that is third one, and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay, see third one, in triangle ACD and FGH, sorry, DCA and HGF, DCA and HGF. See here, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. We proved above. Angle ACD is equal to FGH. Angle FGH we proved above. Okay. See, angle A is equal to angle F. That is also we proved. Angle A is equal to angle F. That is also we proved above. Okay. Therefore, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Proved.